What's up, guys? Happy Monday. I hope you like that sneak peek at the Supra motor in just got, launch edition. Super sweet. Technically not sold yet. Well, not officially, I guess. Someone put an offer in, I guess. But
4 o'clock, someone put a down payment.
Yeah, 4 o'clock someone put a down payment on. So it lasted, they got it today at what, noon?
Yeah, something.
Yeah, it didn't last very long. Anyways, Jake got goodies in the mail today. They sent him just a stud, so whatever. Jake's got the driver's side on. I got over here a little late. So, but as you see, Jake's just putting this passenger side one on. Is it going as well as everybody on YouTube says it does, or?
I think maybe take the knuckle off.
You think you need to take the knuckle off?
I think they line up easier.
Is it a necessary thing to do, or?
It's hard to say. I don't know. It's just hard to get the studs to line up.
Oh, I see where it's hard to get it up. Okay, I get it now.
Smoke break.
That's what makes car part install hard, or it'll take long. Smoke brakes.
Yeah.
This video is not sponsored by Camel.
What I'm supposed to do?
Alright, so we've had this, or Jake's had this on and off probably twice. What's hard about it? What's going on?
Getting the knuckle to go flat, flush with the kit.
Knuckle to go flush. Alright, so we have reverted to definitely have to take the knuckle off. Officer Dan, you were right. We can't you can't cheat the system. Listen to Dan.
You probably can, it's just not lining up right.
50 Cent is dirty. Ugh.
Go. Death pump.
Doesn't matter if it's straight thread or cross thread. Tight is tight.
Fucking apparently. Jesus Christ.
Good.
Okay. Solves that problem.
She broke right off there. Whoa, God. $240 problems. Okay, so just for reference, we get the knuckle off. It's pretty simple to take it off. You'll take your too big. You'll take your tie rod off and 2 bolts that mount up to the coilover, and then your lower ball joint there.
Okay, so what you really got to do is get it so it's lined up, and then there's tapers on each of the studs. You got to twist the studs up in so the tapers engage with the knuckle, you know, for both sides. Once you get them twisted up like that, then you know, put your hex key in and tighten down your nuts, and that's it.
So you 100% recommend taking the knuckle off to put it in.
Yeah, it's easier, way easier. Then you don't got to fight with the other stuff, and you can actually see what the hell you're doing.
Yeah. All right.
That was part of my concern from the beginning, because you know, it's either take more stuff apart to make it easier, or take less apart to be a pain in the ass.
I get it. I get it. That looks really good though, your grind job here.
Not too bad.
Alright, so now you're just ready to get this on there, right?
Good.
Alright, let's make it happen.
Butt cheeks.
Probably be easier to torque that down like that.
Once I get it up here.
Make sure you get yourself some thread locker.
Yeah, don't let your tie rods fall out.
No, this is probably a little over the top being high strength. I use blue on mine, but it is what it is. It works. There's that word again, that phrase. It is what it is. Okay, now Jake thinks his rack might be off center. Something happened maybe on the track or something, or when we did it initially. So we're kind of going to show you how to quick and easy tell, make sure it is kind of centered. What you're going to want to do is take the tie rod out of the knuckle, or out of each knuckle first. Okay, so when you got that out, you're going to want to take the wheel. You're going to want to turn it all the way one way till the rack bottoms out. Okay, then you're going to kind of use this as your end point here. So 1, 2, 3, 3 1/4. Okay, so we'll go, you're gonna take 3 1/4 divided by 2. Kind of explain it while you're putting it on too.
Alright, put those in there, crank them out a little bit, crank it out. So there I got the tapers seated, so it's flat against the knuckle. Okay. The bolts in. socket. Like that.
Alright, so quick update. We did some stuff here. I forgot to film here. So we got these on. We got the new inner tie rods on with Loctite. The SR's outers on. Now we just gotta tighten and put cotter keys in, and then we'll kind of check out some angle before we do a toe plate alignment. Alright, so we're at the point now where we're gonna quit for tonight. It's getting really late. Neighbors get pissed. But we had to beat this in like I told Jake we had to. And then in here, and that little lip there we gotta beat in. And then just right here where it hits. So once those get beat in, then we'll be able to clear. And then we can start alignments and go from there. So we'll pick this up tomorrow, or maybe when it's done, and check out the GKTECH roll center correction angle. Alright, so that's where our poke sits. Big boy poke. Okay, go ahead and do leading. That's our lead angle. And then go ahead and do trailing. And that's our trailing angle. So, what do you think of the GK roll center correction?
So far, other than the problems we've encountered, with it.
That's true.
I mean, it's better than tie rod spacers.
Not wrong with that. So, actually, that'll do it all for today. Hopefully that kind of helped you out a bit. We ran into some issues. We kind of did one thing, found this out, did another thing, found that out. So that way you guys can kind of watch this and know what to do before you even get to it. Jake's running these are 17s, these are a 215 tire. They're a plus 20 offset. Plus 20 offset with a 25mm spacer. So that's how we're going to close it. Pretty good angle. Drilling angle isn't fantastic, but it is what it is. The lead angle is significantly better than what it was. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, keep on sliding.